one of the standouts at the moment is new car warranties is a challenge for aftermarket workshops. So I'd say most motorists are still under the impression they need to go back to the dealer to maintain their new car warranty, to have the logbook servicing done. And for the most part, that's not true, but it's just something that motorists aren't conscious of. We've got cap price servicing plans that dealers offers now, so they're sometimes called fixed price service plans. On paper, they're a great idea. It sounds great for the motorist, but in some instances, the devil's in the details. So it looks quite appealing on the forefront, but there's definitely a deficit of information to motorists as to what happens actually when you go through that process. So there's education needed for motorists there. Another problem that we're facing at the moment is comparison websites. So there's a number of comparison websites out in the automotive service and repair industry now. And what they do is a model similar to what the likes of a Trivago or Booking.com do for hotels.